how you can install Microsoft Copilot. Now, Microsoft Copilot is your Microsoft's AI companion. You can see it right here. You can use it on the website. Now, to download this, you can use Microsoft 365, but if you don't have Microsoft 365, what you can do is you can just go to Visual Studio. Now, this is a roundabout way, but I'll show you guys how to do it. Now, after you do this, just go to Visual Studio. And after you go to Visual Studio, you can see it right here. You'll see Start Copilot Free Trial. Now, this is a GitHub's trial. This is a GitHub's version. So just log in into your GitHub and you can download it from here, right? So that is pretty much it. That is how you download uh, an extension of Copilot on your Visual Studio using GitHub. So that is it, or you can just use Microsoft 365 to download it. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.